Hello, good evening everyone. This is MyLearn app faculty, and today we will see how students can log into our learning platform and how they can interact with teachers. So let's start with the tutorial. So this is our MyLearn app icon. We have to just click on the icon and the interface will open where you have to fill your user credentials. The username and password will be provided to you by the faculty. So this is our demo user that we will be using to explain the features of MyLearn app platform. So you just have to put your username and password and just have to click the login button. And don't forget to check the terms and conditions and policies of the MyLearn app. So after login, you will be redirected to the update your password page where you can change your password according to yourself. So right now I'm keeping the password same. So after changing your password, you have to click on update button and your password is updated successfully. So now you have to log in with your new user credentials with the new password you have corrected. So after login with the new user credentials, you will be logged in successfully. So this is your account page where you can see your avatar, you can see your username user48mla, and these are the 4 links to the mylearnapp.com where you can get study material, you can get counseling forms, you can get vocational courses. Different study material is available online on mylearnapp.com. So at the bottom you can see class schedule and archived classes. So these are the most two important tabs where when you click the class schedule button, you will be directed to the classes that the teachers have already made so that you can discuss your queries, where you can interact with your teachers, where you can clear out your doubts. So this is the student view where a class, that is demo class with subject title, is created by the teacher. So the timing for this class is 4:30 to 5 p.m. This is an half an hour class. So the class is already started. So if the student join the class, he will see that on the top there is 10A. This is his or her class where he can interact with teachers, where already all the students are interacting. He can send message, he can ask a doubt, and below that you can see is a question and answer where he can directly put a question to the teacher and teacher will respond to the student directly. So in the group chat, student can only send messages. He can interact with other students, he can interact with teachers and clear his doubt. And in the personal question and answer section where student have the right to send the audio message hello to the teacher, and student have also the right to send image, video, a document or anything else to the teacher. So this is the student view for the class schedule. And in the archived classes, the already closed classes, that are the classes that are already created and used, we will see that classes in the archived section. So when the current class gets over, the class gets stored to your archived section. You can see the chat that has already been done in the live session. So when the class gets over, you can see there is no class in the class schedule tab. And when the class gets over, it is shifted to the archive class, where when you open the archive class, you can see the chat that has been done while the class is running and all the doubts that you have asked the teacher. So this is your MyLearn app student view, where student can interact with the teachers, where student can have group session, a personal session for his doubt. So that's your student view tutorial. Thank you.